How to manage family settings in Google Play Store. This tutorial will show you how to access and manage family settings. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Family. Here you'll find options such as parental controls and other family-related features that may be available on your account or in your region. Tap on the setting you want to manage and make any changes based on your preferences. For example, you can enable or disable parental controls, update your content restrictions, or review available family options. Keep in mind that some family features may vary depending on your account, country, Google Play Store version, or whether you've set up a Google Family group. That's it! You've successfully learned how to manage family settings in Google Play Store and customize them to suit your needs. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tips and how-to guides. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials, hidden features, and helpful smartphone tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.